Bad wiper blades can be dangerous in the rain, and fixing them takes less than 5 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to remove the old wiper blades, install the new ones, and make your windshield crystal clear again. As you can see, the old blades are not doing their job anymore. They are leaving streaks and skipping across the glass. Here is the old wiper blade. You can feel the rubber is worn out. And here are the new replacement blades ready to install. Before buying new blades, make sure you check the sizes. In many cases, the passenger side is longer and the driver side is shorter. Always confirm the correct size before purchasing. Now let's remove the old blade. Carefully lift the wiper arm and make sure it does not snap back onto the windshield. If you release it by accident, it can crack your windshield, so always control the arm. While I'm unpacking the new blade, don't forget to subscribe for more simple DIY car maintenance videos. New blades usually come with a protective sleeve on the rubber. Make sure to remove it before installation. Insert the new blade into the wiper arm until it clicks into the place. Make sure it's secure and properly locked. Now we can repeat the same process on the driver's side. Lift carefully, remove the old blade and install the new one. Here you can see the size written on the package, 24 inches or 600 millimeters. This is how you know you are buying the correct length for your vehicle. Some older vehicles use a hook-style wiper arm like this one. You notice it has a curved hook with a small opening where the blades connect. To remove this, locate the small clip, press or release the clip. Press or release the clip, then slide the blade downwards to disconnect it from the hook. To install the new one, insert the hook into the bracketing opening, then pull it upwards until it locks securely into the place. And here's how it looks from the outside. From inside the car, you can see the difference immediately. No streaks, no squeaking, no jumping blades, just a clean windshield. That's it. Quick, simple, and affordable maintenance you can do in minutes. If you found this helpful, watch the next quick fix right here.